boy A Benji. We back with another Liddy reaction video. Today we got Cilvanis. Messed that up. How your house makes hella noises when you're alone. Ain't that the truth? Bruh. Every time, especially when you watching a movie or something, and like you got the lights off in the other part of the house, it tends to make a lot of noise. Matter of fact, at my job, one of the buildings, if we go in at nighttime, that it settles, so the roof just be cracking and stuff, and it just sounds like somebody walking on the roof. I don't stay in that building that long. I ain't gonna lie to you, I really don't. But this video is 3 minutes and 57 seconds. We ain't wasting time. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Hey, bitch, true, you know what it do. Let's roll. You black, don't go try to figure it out. Don't do it, it ain't worth it, my guy. I'm telling you.
What the hell is wrong with this house? Hello?
Don't answer it.
Is it a ghost in here?
You gonna ask, is there a ghost in here? You just got the gun on standby, huh?
I wanted you to think that the house was haunted, so then you would leave the house because you were scared, and then I was gonna rob the house.
You got a gun.
And now that I'm saying that out loud, I realize how dumb this is. So like, yeah, hey, just let me hold $40, man. Let me hold.
You better hold this 40. Now you gotta splat it here.
Let's see if Pops left me some money. Yeah, I was waiting on you to die.
If you're watching this video, then that means that I have met my untimely demise.
R.I.P. to me. But all is not sad because I'm leaving something in my will for you. I'm leaving you with Keeps, the sponsor for today's video.
Now, I don't know if you knew this.
But every 2 out of 3 males will experience some type of male pattern baldness before they hit 35.
I'm going to pause the video right there, you
Sounds
guys.
scary to you.
But if you treat it early while you still have hair, that's actually going to be your best chance to prevent hair loss. And Keeps makes this process very
I'm gonna
easy
skip
for
ahead.
you if you ever need
Make
it.
sure nothing else behind that. Okay, that was it. Okay, that was funny, but it's true though. I don't know why. It's just like the house, it just has to settle down. You know, when it cools down, and you got a wooden house, and it just all them boards just start to sound like somebody walking on it. Like I tell y'all, we got this building at the job, and I hate going in that building at nighttime. If you know what word, you know what I'm talking about. It creaks at nighttime. You know which one. Yo, but let me know what y'all thought of the video down in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure I do the same thing. Go to his channel and do it first. The homie Cilvanis. Hey, his videos are funny. Till then, hey, bitch, cool. You know what we do. We about to head out. We are out of here. Peace.
Lil Dilly from the bottom of the mouth. I ain't gotta have a strap. I still get 'em with the rap. Hating Dilly, man, you gotta be an idiot.